So we're back at the 87 Dodge project. I got the inner fenders back on. I think in the last video I got them bed lined or whatever. They're both on now. Got all new nuts and bolts. I welded just welded nuts to them. I took out those little spring. These guys right there, took those out, just welded a nut, made it a bit better. Put this on. Now the floor, we put that patch in there. Oh, come on, focus, there you go. Put that patch in there. Can't even tell that there's a patch. Then I Raptor lined it. Came up not too bad. I like the way it looks. Not too bad. I got the windshield out. Brought that downstairs. Also got the back glass out. So, and I also took the passenger side door off because I got 2 new doors and fenders to put on. So those are going to be going on. Right now I'm trying to try to clean up all the debris of like all old undercoat and oil that's on here. I took out the door pin on this side, both door pins. Gonna do the other side later. I'm gonna replace the door pins. So I'm gonna get those, and that's pretty much it for now. I patched up these holes here. Gonna grind those down on both sides because they had that little strip that went down here all the way down to the box. I didn't really like that. I just want a smooth finish. So yeah, just coming along not too bad. I painted the top up here. And I did this with a paintbrush. I don't know if you guys ever heard of this stuff. It's from Napa. I really like this stuff. Right there. Not too bad. Oh, come on. Hold on a sec, boys. There we go. This stuff here. It's just black. You get it flat black or just normal gloss. This is just normal gloss stuff, which I really like. So I did that, and now I'm pretty much gonna, like I said, clean up all the old silicone from where the window seal was and stuff like that, and get it all cleaned up so I can do some body work on it. It's actually not too bad under here. I thought it was all gonna be all rusted and like bad, but it's actually not too bad. It's really good. Here, we'll go check out the other side. There's a little bit of rust there, but it's hard to tell, but it's pretty mint. So yeah, it's gonna be my next project, is to get the cab done. I'm going to paint this with single stage all in here, all in where the door jamb is, all that, and the new doors. Paint all that, and the truck's gonna get a 2-stage paint. I don't know what color I should go with yet. I want to go with like I said, I don't know if I said it in the other video. I have a tailgate from a first gen that's from the 90s, the early 90s. And that's what I want to call it, color I want to use. It's pretty metallic-y. So yeah, that's what I've done so far, and keep you guys updated.